So in a previous video, I had talked about the Purge shield. So here's the Purge shield. When you open it, the alarm comes up. Purge shield is open. So I had talked about this magnet here being how it knew, but there's no wiring or anything that runs to this magnet. And there's nothing here on the door. There's a hinge. On the hinge, there's a switch that runs to this wire, and that's how it knows the Purge shield is open, not because of a magnet. So I just wanted to make that correction. Let's close the Purge shield. Here's the panel. We'll open the door. And you can see there's the nozzle tip and the barrel. The screws inside the barrel. You can see the heat shield around it. And that's what it looks like from the other side. This is the non-moving platen. And on this side is the moving platen, with the jack screw mechanism back there completely retracted. And here's our patented polishing material.